Hi friends, my name is Maya. I am the founder of Kiwi Spa and also esthetician with over 23 years of experience. And today I'm so happy to introduce our 21-day skin transformation kit. We have two kits, one is for acne, one is for anti-aging. They are customizable, so when you will go to our website, we will ask you to answer a couple questions, and then based on the information that you provide, we're going to include active ingredients that will be beneficial specifically for your skin. And today I would like to walk you through the process and show you how you can using it from the comfort of your own home, DIY. Also, big plus that this kit has this QR code. You can simply scan it and you will see my videos explaining step by step, explaining every product and why we need to do all these interesting steps. So let's get started. I can't wait to share with you information and step by step guidance on how to use all these beautiful products and why do we need so many. So when you will open a kit, you will see this beautiful card, that's me, and also pictures of our models who already completed this kit. And I know that it's a little overwhelming when you see so many products and you basically think like, how do I use it all? Why do I need so many? But how I build this kit, it's your very first facial. So when you will open a kit and it's first time that these products will be applied on your skin, our goal is to deep clean our pores and remove all the barriers from our skin and make sure that all these products can penetrate really deep into our skin and deliver the best results. Now, of course, you need to take in consideration that doesn't matter if you're treating acne or you're treating anti-aging, your pores could be a little bit clogged. And for example, if your skin more on the acne prone side, your pores can be clogged with underskin oil, with maybe some capsulations, blackheads, milias, or just underskin congestions. And then when you target anti-aging and you would like just to resurface your skin and give a boost of energy to your skin and revitalize, rejuvenate, your pores might look clean. But if you was using before some over-the-counter products that was contain silicones, synthetic preservatives, parabens, so please know that these ingredients, they are synthetic, and sometimes when you put this product on your skin, some ingredients will not dissolve 100%, so little microscopical pieces still stay in your pores, and these barriers will prevent from penetration of our active ingredients. That's why in this kit, if we will, divide all the products that we have in this kit, it will be three main groups. First group of products will design to perform this very first facial where I will show you how to exfoliate your skin, how to soften any kind of congestions and capsulations underneath your skin, how to do self extractions, and after that how to perform a real fruit enzyme peel. Some people call it chemical peel, but our peel doesn't contain any chemicals, it just contains all natural fruit acids. But these acids are very powerful and of course they can burn your skin, but I will show you a safest way how to perform it from the comfort of your own home. And then once this very first facial done, you have a calming gel to calm down your skin, reduce maybe a little redness, inflammation. If you did self extractions and then applied peel, you might have some marks, so it will heal this. And overall, our goal is to feel our skin a little bit dry, on a drier side after this facial. If your skin is like really dry, it's great. And if your skin still a little oily after this very first facial, don't worry, it's all the products, they still work. The only reason why your skin could be like extra oily, it's, for example, imagine our pore, it's like a funnel. It's kind of like larger and wider on top, and then it's more narrowed down. And imagine if you used some products that had silicones, parabens, synthetic preservatives, and some microscopic pieces did not dissolve, it still penetrated in your skin to the deepest layers of your skin. And then when you apply active ingredients from the skin and our acids penetrate inside, they just probably still dissolving these capsulated products, and these products like together with your underskin oil still kind of like coming out of your skin pushing it all away. It's a way for your skin to detox. And when we clean all these stuffs that are stuck, your pores can finally breathe and your channels are open, then everything what we have here will penetrate really deep into your skin and will deliver the best remarkable results, I guarantee. A second group of the products in this kit, it's your mini facial that you're going to perform on day number 7, day number 14, and day number 21. It's kind of like you visiting a spa and you're getting a professional facial, but you're doing it from the comfort of your own home. It's very easy, products are very powerful, and you will see amazing results right away after each facial, like you just visited a spa and get a facial from a licensed esthetician. That's how amazing is that. And then third group of products, it's a products that you're using every day, every morning and every evening. They will be slightly different for different skin types, but I will talk today about each and every product that I have in both kits and show you what will be the best way for your skin to use it. So let's get started.